Hello kids, welcome to Kids Space, your favorite YouTube channel for learning. So are you ready to fly with me in a different weather? Okay, we will fly together in different weathers and we'll learn more about weathers. Let's go with me. Sunny weather. Sunny weather. This is how sunny weather looks like. In this weather, we get proper bright sunshine coming on Earth. This weather also improves our immunity system and boosts vitamin D in our body. Vitamin D in our body. Sunny weather also creates more solar energy for Earth because in this weather we get maximum sunshine coming on Earth. We get maximum sunshine. Partly cloudy weather. Partly cloudy weather. In this weather, sun hides behind the cloud. In this weather, sun hides behind the cloud. This is how partly cloudy weather looks like. You see very less sunshine is coming. This weather reduces the amount of ultraviolet and AB rays coming on Earth. Cloudy days are often soft and light compared to other weather conditions. This weather is comparatively light weather. Cloudy weather. Cloudy weather. In cloudy weather, we see clouds all over the sky. We see clouds all over the sky. This is how cloudy weather looks like. As you see in the video, all sky is covered with clouds. Cloudy weather also cools down the temperature of Earth and makes the air fresh. Makes the air fresh. And do you know kids that clouds also make rain? Clouds also make rain. So our next weather is rainy weather. Rainy weather. This is how rainy weather looks like when we see little raindrops coming on Earth. That weather is rainy weather. It refreshes the quality of air and quenches the earth thirst. And quenches the earth thirst. See, little raindrops are coming. The rains are very important for our agriculture and crops because this is how plants grow. With the help of rain, plants can grow. Our next weather is thunderstorm. Thunderstorm weather. In this weather, we generally see little light coming from clouds. Light coming from clouds. As you see in the video, there is some lightning. So this weather is called thunderstorm. This weather helps nature to maintain its electrical balance. To maintain its electrical balance. Lightning also works as the first fertilizer to reduce the nitrogen from nature. To reduce the nitrogen from nature. Our next weather is snowy weather. Snowy weather. This is how snowy weather looks like. We see snow everywhere. We see snow everywhere. As you see in the video, all hills or mountains tops are covered with snow. Snowy weather makes a good blanket insulator for plants and mammals. Snowy weather is very good for our heart, brain and skin. For our heart, brain and skin. Do you like snowy weather kids? Okay, so our next weather is misty weather. Misty weather. This is how misty weather looks like. You feel little raindrops in this weather. from our body and makes the air fresh. This weather also flows away fog and pollution. This weather also flows away fog and pollution. So kids, can you tell me which is your favorite weather in the comment section? So I will tell you mine also. Okay kids, I hope you like my video, and if you like it, please share it with your friends and don't forget to